Every August, I see the same thing: anglers start complaining that the fish have disappeared. Bites become few and far between, and the ground bait that worked all summer suddenly stops producing. But there's a simple solution, and it doesn't involve expensive bait mixes or trendy attractants. For years, I've prepared one homemade powder before my August fishing trips. Very few anglers know this recipe, even though it works incredibly well. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make it, including one important detail that most fishermen overlook. More than once, I've arrived at the lake around 1 in the afternoon instead of at sunrise. Normally, that's considered a poor time to start fishing, especially during the summer heat. Yet whenever I used this additive, the bites continued almost non-stop until evening. The anglers around me couldn't understand why their spots were quiet while I kept catching fish one after another. The best part is that every ingredient is inexpensive, easy to find, and the entire mixture takes only a few minutes to prepare. This powder has saved many of my August fishing trips. It works for a wide range of non-predatory fish, including bream, crucian carp, common carp, and other bottom-feeding species. Recently, I spent an entire week targeting bream, and before that, I fished almost every day for crucian carp. The additive performed equally well in both situations. I'll walk you through the complete recipe step by step so you can make it at home and test it on your next trip. Sometimes the difference between a slow day and steady action comes down to one small ingredient. I do have one request: if this mixture helps you catch plenty of fish, please don't keep more than you need. Take enough for a fresh meal with your family and release the rest. That way, our lakes will continue producing good fishing for years to come. I'm heading back to the water tomorrow with this powder in my tackle bag. I'll mix it directly into my ground bait and try to film a separate video so you can see how it performs under real fishing conditions. And believe me, there's one funny detail about this experiment that I haven't told you yet. Once the fish start biting, it's almost impossible to sit there quietly. Catch a few good fish within an hour or two, and nearby anglers will begin walking over with questions. They want to know what bait you're using, what you added to your ground bait, what rig you have, and how far out you're fishing. If you enjoy peace and quiet as much as I do, choose a spot a little farther away from everyone else. Trust me, your fishing trip will be much more relaxing. I'd love to fish remote lakes and quiet rivers where no one else is around, but that isn't always possible. Most of the time, I fish public ponds or small rivers that are crowded from early morning. Once you start getting regular bites, there's no hiding a successful session. So now let's get to the most interesting part. I'll show you exactly what goes into this homemade attractant powder and how to prepare it correctly. I strongly recommend testing this recipe in August because simple homemade solutions can sometimes outperform expensive store-bought additives. This is the exact mixture I've been making for myself for years. There are no secret ingredients or complicated techniques, and any angler can easily prepare it at home. However, there is one important rule: follow the measurements carefully because the final result depends heavily on the proportions. Start with 1 packet of pure vanilla powder, approximately 1.5 grams, and empty it into a small mixing container. Don't add more, this amount is enough. Later, I'll explain how much of the finished powder to use and how to mix it into your ground bait. Next, add about half a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. It gives the mixture a warm, appealing aroma that works especially well in warmer water. Then add 1 tablespoon of regular dry mustard powder. The same inexpensive kind sold in almost every grocery store. It has become one of my favorite ingredients when targeting crucian carp and common carp. After that, only one final ingredient remains. This is the component that brings all the aromas together and turns the mixture into a highly effective fish attractant. Add about 5 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder to the other ingredients and mix everything thoroughly until the color and texture are completely even. Transfer the finished powder to a resealable bag or any airtight container. That's it, our August fish attractant is ready. Now comes the most important part: using it correctly at the lake. This entire batch is designed for approximately 2.2 pounds, or 1 kilogram, of ground bait or cooked grain mix. I usually pour the powder into a small jar or cup that I bring with me. At the water, I add about 5 fluid ounces, or 150 milliliters, of water and stir until smooth. Only then do I pour the liquid into the ground bait and mix everything thoroughly so the scent spreads evenly throughout the entire batch. This extra step is important because adding the dry powder directly can create concentrated pockets instead of distributing the attractant properly. Don't expect bites immediately. First, you need to establish an active feeding spot. During the first 15 minutes, I usually introduce about 10 ounces, or 300 grams, of ground bait into the target area. After that, I continue fishing normally and send out another small amount of bait with every cast. This is especially important on slow days. Many anglers make the same mistake. When the bite is weak, they start using less ground bait. In reality, that's often when consistent feeding matters most. You can test this yourself. Make one cast with only a sinker or an empty feeder, and very often nothing will happen. Then make the next cast with fresh ground bait in the feeder. Quite often, the fish responds almost immediately. In my experience, this additive does more than improve the scent, it helps stimulate feeding activity and keeps fish around the spot longer. That's why it can make the bite much more consistent during difficult August conditions. If you try this recipe, share your results in the comments. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more proven fishing recipes and practical tips.